In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls from Zoho CRM. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication with clients or manage your customer interactions more efficiently, this guide is here to help you navigate the capabilities of Zoho CRM's calling feature by feature. So let's dive right into the process, starting from the homepage of Zoho CRM. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're on the home page, you'll find a dashboard displaying various options and features. Now, it's time to focus on your contacts because that's where we'll be starting our call process. Look for the Contacts tab in your menu options and click on it. This will bring up a list of all your current contacts stored within Zoho CRM. Once you're in the Contacts section, the next step is to choose the specific contact you wish to call. Browse through your contact list and select the one you'd like to reach out to. Clicking on a contact will provide you with that individual's details and available actions you can take. Now, directing your attention to the Details page of the chosen contact, locate the Call button. It's usually designed to be visible and intuitive, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. Once you click the Call button, you'll be prompted to choose an application through which you can initiate the call. Zoho CRM offers integration with several calling applications and tools to enhance your communication experience, so you can select the one that best suits your calling needs. This could be anything from a VoIP service to a more traditional telephony system. It's important to note that while Zoho CRM itself doesn't make the calls, it acts as a facilitator by streamlining the process. By choosing the preferred application, you're able to connect with your contacts at the click of a button, making the workflow seamless and efficient. For those of you dealing with a high volume of calls, consider exploring other settings within Zoho CRM that might augment your user experience, such as call logging, recording options, or even integrating with your existing telephony system for enhanced features. In conclusion, making calls from Zoho CRM is straightforward once you know where to look and which buttons to press. This capability not only simplifies the process of reaching out to your contacts, but also helps in keeping all your interactions organized under one platform. And that's it for today's guide on initiating calls through Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching and happy calling.